training. Okay, so we already mentioned that people involved in these projects need some training. Okay, so it's going to take us a few hours of training in order to go through all the courses. This course that we're doing right now is quite short. It's just a few hours. Most people can do this in a couple days. And here we're going to get all the general ideas, all the general knowledge. But then we've got the consultant courses and even another technical course that's a bit more, let's say it's more for consultants, okay? So for people who are actually going to implement or roll out the application through the entire company. And here it gives us a bit of information of how they can be trained, where they can go in order to get this training. Obviously, if you're doing this course, it would be very similar. You just had to subscribe to the course and now you're performing it. And this would be the same thing for the other courses. You have to subscribe. Once you've subscribed, then we can start doing the training. And here we have a few links of where we can get more information or where we can subscribe in order to get this training. As it says here, for these consultants, it's essential to keep up to date. So the application is going to be changing. It's not going to be always the same. There's going to be updates and so on. So what we do here from the company, from AutoPortal, we send all this information to all our consultants via email. Each time there's a release with all the key features that have just arisen and appeared, so they can always be up to date with the latest features. And as it says here, if it is a technical consultant, so if it is someone who's going to be, let's say, performing more complex integrations with other systems and things like that, they're going to have the necessary knowledge to carry out integrations, installations, equipment administration, networks, and so on. And then we have the project director. We already mentioned before, they need to have general knowledge of the functionalities of AutoPortal in order to improve the processes. To obtain this knowledge, they can request a demo or a proof of concept. They can have meetings with their partners or with AutoPortal or with any consultant who can help them understand this application. They could also enter our website and ask for help. And obviously, they could do this course. Okay, so this course is very interesting for any project director, even though they're not going to implement the solution in their company, because it's going to help them have a very good general overview of what processes are, of how it's going to be implemented, and so on. And then there's the final users. Obviously, these users don't need to know practically anything about the application, but they are going to need some information, or they are going to have to know how to interact with their different activities that they should perform. Okay, so they might have a portal, a task, a report, or whatever that the consultants have developed for them. They've designed maybe a very nice dashboard. They've designed several reports. They've designed several processes. And all of this has to be used by the users. Okay, as it says here, the functionalities that we developed, obviously, they have to be intuitive and user-friendly. Additionally, maybe a brief meeting or a quick demonstration can be arranged for these users to show them how to interact with these new functionalities. Some companies choose to provide their users maybe with a document or some, I don't know, a video, something that can help them understand how the new tools that they're going to use work.